Are you looking for easy woodworking ideas that can make you money? There are several wood furniture and wooden decor ideas you can use to make money as a woodworker. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned woodworker, there are suitable ideas for every skill level. Woodworking is not just a fulfilling hobby, it can also be a lucrative business venture. With the right skills and creativity, you can turn simple woodworking projects into profitable opportunities. In this video, while you look at our today's collection, we will explore various easy woodworking ideas that can help you earn extra income. We'll focus on projects that require minimal materials and tools, making them accessible for both beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. But we have also included a few more complex project ideas for those who have the time and resources to make them. Before diving into specific projects, it's essential to understand the market for woodworking. The demand for handmade wooden items has surged in recent years due to a growing appreciation for craftsmanship and sustainable products. Consumers are increasingly seeking unique, high-quality items that reflect their personal style. This trend opens up numerous avenues for woodworkers looking to turn their skills into profit. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of easy woodworking ideas that can make you money. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. To effectively market your woodworking creations, consider identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. This could be anything from home decor to practical household items. Understanding your target audience will allow you to tailor your products to meet their needs and preferences. Once you've created your woodworking items, the next step is to market them effectively. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade provide excellent opportunities to reach a broader audience. Create a compelling shop profile, showcase your products with high-quality images, and write detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Participating in local events allows you to showcase your work directly to potential customers. It's a great way to build relationships and gain local recognition. Be sure to create an attractive booth that highlights your woodworking projects. Utilizing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can help you connect with a larger audience. Share images of your projects, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials to build engagement. Consider hosting giveaways or contests to increase visibility. Establishing relationships with local shops or boutiques can provide additional sales avenues. Many small businesses are open to selling handmade items on consignment or collaborating for special events. Offering custom woodworking services can significantly increase your income potential. Many customers appreciate the opportunity to have personalized items made, whether it's a custom sign or a unique piece of furniture. Woodworking offers a wealth of opportunities for those looking to make extra money. By focusing on easy projects that require minimal materials and tools, you can turn your skills into a successful venture. From creating custom signs to crafting pet accessories and seasonal decorations, the possibilities are endless. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember to stay connected with your community, market your creations effectively, and continuously seek feedback to improve your craft. With dedication and creativity, you can transform your woodworking passion into a profitable business. Proper care and maintenance are essential for preserving the beauty and longevity of wood decor. Dust wood surfaces regularly with a soft, dry cloth to prevent the buildup of dirt and grime. For deeper cleaning, use a damp cloth and mild soap, being careful not to saturate the wood. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. Wood is susceptible to moisture damage, so it's essential to keep it dry. Wipe up spills immediately and avoid placing wet items directly on wooden surfaces. Use coasters and placemats to protect against moisture and heat. Periodically apply a quality furniture polish or wax to maintain the finish and enhance the wood's natural luster. This protective layer helps prevent scratches and keeps the wood looking fresh. Wood can expand or contract with changes in humidity and temperature. Keep wood decor in a stable environment, avoiding direct sunlight and extreme temperature fluctuations. Using a humidifier in dry conditions can help maintain optimal humidity levels. Address any scratches or dents promptly to prevent further damage. For minor scratches, use a wood repair marker or crayon that matches the wood color. For deeper scratches, consider sanding the area lightly and applying a matching finish. As you can see in the video, there are several DIY wood decor projects that you can try at home. You can transform a piece of reclaimed wood into a stunning wall art piece. To do that, just sand the wood to smooth out rough edges, then paint or stain it to achieve your desired look. You can create geometric patterns, inspirational quotes, or nature-inspired designs using stencils or freehand painting. Another idea is to install rustic wooden shelves to display your favorite decor items or plants. Use reclaimed wood for a charming, weathered look. Simply cut the wood to your desired length, sand it down, and attach it to the wall with brackets or sturdy supports. Wood planters are also excellent ideas as small woodworking projects. Create unique wooden planters for your indoor or outdoor plants. Use untreated wood to ensure proper drainage, and design the planters in various shapes and sizes. You can paint or stain the wood to match your decor style. Craft custom picture frames using wood strips. Cut the wood to the desired dimensions, then assemble the frame using wood glue or nails. Sand and finish the frames to create a polished look, and showcase your favorite photos or artwork. Wood decor is a timeless choice that brings beauty, warmth, and character to any space. From rustic charm to modern elegance, wood offers endless possibilities for enhancing your home. By understanding the various types of wood, design styles, and DIY projects, you can create a space that reflects your unique style while celebrating the natural beauty of wood. As you incorporate wood decor into your home, remember to prioritize sustainability and responsible sourcing. By choosing high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, you can enjoy the beauty of wood while contributing to a healthier planet. Whether you're crafting your own wood decor or selecting pieces that resonate with your style, the enduring appeal of wood will continue to inspire and uplift your living spaces for years to come. Embrace the warmth and charm of wood decor, and let it transform your home into a haven of natural beauty. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy woodworking ideas that can make you money. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.